rotations, which is our ball and the crescent forward, making a little step with each foot as you're turning. So we can make turning hip rotations, which is our forward crescent with the right foot. As we do it, we're going to step, step with each foot. Ball, step, ball, step, ball, step, ball, step, but making the little rotation. As you step, rotate. Dig, rotate, step. Dig, rotate, step. Dig, rotate, step. Dig, rotate, step. And you can make these nice, making prayer arms if you like. Now we've done hip thrust, isolations forwards, rolling. If you want to make bigger movements, they are then called body rolls. And you can make these in varying forms, using the whole body, different arms, whatever you like. So they're body rolls if you use the whole body, and pelvic rolls if you just make the isolation. Don't forget you can do these forwards and backwards, either type. When you do the body rolls, it's one roll. If you do body ripples, you can make continual backward and forward movements. So don't get those three confused. We can make hip bumps, which is a sharp thrust to each side. It's quite a nice idea to change arms each one. So you can make your own arms, but make them very strong if you're doing what we call singles, which is 1, 1, 1, 1. We can make doubles, which is obviously 2 each side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or we can make combinations of slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. So any combinations of hip bumps. We can do hip rolls to the side. Lift, so we're going to push over as we lift this hip and down. So let's try that. So we're going to drop into this hip. This foot is bent. Up, over. You can continue one side, making the rolls one way, or you can do a little step on the end and change to the other leg. And of course you can do these inwards as well. This is where this ball heel I've spoken about before really comes into play. I'll turn around the other way so you can see the feet better, what I mean with the ball heels. So as I come inwards, you can see how this ball heel really comes into play. Look when the ball and the heel goes, depending on the movement. As I lift the hip, I lift the heel. Drop it down, heel goes down. Lift the heel, lift the hip, drop down and change. Have a practice of that. Try combining all the things I've shown you so far, any order you like, but try and change smoothly. You want them all to flow, to connect, not looking like all different parts. So keep it flowing. Put on any music you like and just try and keep in time with the music.